In this backwater of England, where the pace of life is slow, and the lilies on the lake are broad and lush, we're all living here in clover, and the mating season's over, so there won't be cause for anyone to blush. In our land, both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck and pheasant, if they had them, would be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his wattle start to wobble when the rooster cock-a-doodles the alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a guinea fowl who hisses, then there's Ida, she's my missus, so forgive me if I'm laying on the smarm. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our duckyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Little chicks get mollycoddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get too flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Ha! How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group.
I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton
Wouldn't even make a palatable soup.
But when those little ducklings hash, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious, and I just can't get enough.
As a felon who is feline, you will see me make a beeline for those tender little juicy balls of fluff.
In our waterfowl regatta, there's a moorhen fond of chatter, and a mandarin with oriental charm. You'll find every goose or gander. There, of course, I'm rather grander. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. We may strike some classic poses, and we all have parsons' noses. But that doesn't mean you'll hear a single song. For all reference is rejected, blatant foul play is suspected. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. Don't be strangers. In our duckyard, all be rangers. It's a poultry tale. It's a poultry tale. It's a poultry
Now then, children, let's not make a fuss.
Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us?
Family likeness isn't strong, still you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son.
I tell ya, he's a turkey.
He's not a turkey. He loves the water.
Cranberry sauce.
You see? He didn't even flinch. Now come along, all of you. Follow me. But stay close to me at all times so you may get trodden on. And beware of the cat.
Look at him, legs are bandy and the knees are knocked. Look at him,
Dad was obviously eggshell shocked.
let the neighbours scream and howl when they see our brood. He's the foulest waterfowl.
Why are you so rude?
Oh, touchy. Look at him, looks as if he's just been badly squashed. Look at him, all his feathers should be boil washed. There's a problem with his face. Something seems to break. It's his beak, it needs a brace just to keep it straight.
Look at you, look at me, what's it matter?
Isn't it obvious?
Why do I make you all laugh and scoff?
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't we play with the fishes?
Because you'd scare them off. Whack, 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 whack. Whack, 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 whack.
Morning, Maureen.
Morning, Ida. Morning,
Morning,
Drake.
Maureen.
Oh, what a splendid brood. Did the big one hatch out or... Look at him. Come on, Ida, tell me what went wrong. Look at him. Did you leave him in the egg too long?
I admire you for your pluck, strictly entre nous. He may be no pin-up duck. Neither, dear, are you.
Oh, well, I must be going. I hear the children from the farmhouse are throwing French bread into the water. Sounds très chic. I don't want to miss out.
Look at him. You'll admit he is a bit extreme.
Our parents will stop
Look at
quipping.
him, just a variation on a
He's a
theme.
truly ugly sibling.
I don't want to see my son left out on a limb. Why is it that everyone has to cheer?
There's your answer, dear.
Look at him.
Peg, 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 peg. I hate to be picky, but the duck peg, peg looks a little bit dicky. Look at him. Did you ever see a pig with wings? Look at him. Don't genetics do the strangest things? There are times you have to be cruel to be kind. If you gave the cat his tea, nobody would mind.
Right, everyone into the lineup for the school photograph. Short one's in the front. Look at him. He's an ugly one, there is no doubt. Gobby, 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 look at him. Does he have his giblets inside out? Gobby, 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 what else would explain his looks being quite so rough? How on earth will gourmet cooks know which end to stuff? Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Look at him, look at us, where's the mash? Sometimes we find it is kinder if some eggs never hatch.
Well, now that's what I call a snack. Look at him. Still a duckling, but there's so much more.
Look at him.
Finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed
From the things they say,
Maybe they let me assist.
putting him away.
Now, in a moment, you will be presented to Her Grace, the most distinguished duck on the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you will notice that she has a red band of cloth around her leg.
Yeah, should it now be orange for a mandarin?
You know, mandarin orange.
This is the highest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means she is looked up to by both men and animals.
Now then, children, don't turn your toes in. Bow your heads politely and say quack. his feet.
Look at him. Mother Nature must have had a love.
In a way, he's quite appealing.
Look at him, na 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 na.
A relation one should sever.
Look at him, na 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 na.
He is naughty in whatever he does. Oh, he really is an ugly wazzo.
He's my son and I love him. Do you see what you've done? You're to blame. This duckyard would be so boring if we all looked the same.
Look at him, and be thankful that he's not your kid.
But we've got him as a brother.
Look at him.
Look at him.
I took all the way the Dodo did.
And he's worse than any other.
Body work designed to shock. Prospects pretty dear. He should form a solo flock. Look at him, look at me, look at you. You'll agree. Anywhere you look would be less real than in this of this little race. Look at me.
We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles, this gaggling goggles is sure to find your home.
Runways clear, prepare for take-off, dear. We must play a part.
Hark at him, I fear his cabin lights are rather dim.
Chocks away, our air display must start.
We're
off
on
a wild goose chase,
and our simple mission, position the whereabouts of your farm.
We're off, and unless we're blown into kingdom come, we won't be back until we found your mum.
But we don't even know where his farm is, dear. How are we going to plan the route?
Don't worry, dear. I'll navigate.
That's what I was afraid of.
We're off on a wild goose chase. It's a thankless task, but we ask who could do it as well as we. We're off, keen to solve this problem's crux. For what could be grander than having a gander for AWOL missing ducks?
Hello, Ducky. I thought I lost you.
Stand back, or I'll peck.
Oh, be still my quicking legs. I'm going to be goose.
What are you doing here?
Your mother sent me to fetch you. Special envoy.
Now listen here, Cat. I am in command around here, and I have taken personal charge of the duckling's safe return to his mother.
Well, I wouldn't try flying at the moment. Haven't you heard the guns?
We will commence maneuvers as soon as the shooting party is over.
Maybe I could be of assistance. I will go over to the shoot, then let you know when they are packing up for the day.
Very well, but no funny business. I know several ways to skin your type.
It's like taking candy from a baby.
We're off on a wild goose chase.
You may think it odd that a squad such as ours can perform this role. We're
off, and we'll prove that's not the case.
Avoiding the ack-ack, we'll search for this quack-quack and then return to base. Company, present paper. Company, present clue. We're about to face a most perilous mission to date. I need hardly tell you of the risks involved or of the ultimate price that we may have to pay. As we fly on to glory,
I want you to know how very proud I am of this squadron. Keep a stiff upper beak, men, and remember our motto, Semper Victoriam non pate de foie gras.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dot, and I'm your senior flight attendant. And on behalf of Captain Greylag, I would like to welcome you to this afternoon's flight from boggy marshland to some far-flung farm. We will be cruising at an altitude of several feet and flying in a rather attractive V formation. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, we ask that you observe the safety procedures we've been through so many times before. We hope you have a pleasant journey, and thank you for choosing Goose Air, the fluffy skies.
We're off to ensure this duckling is not so glum. We won't be back until we found
The
your
coast is clear. They're putting away their guns.
Are you sure?
On one of my lives.
All right, men, final check. Oh, and here's the cat's parachute.
For me?
You don't think I was going to leave you here with the duckling, do you? Oh, no, Puss. You're coming with us.
Oh, cat litter!
Our wings are spread,
So don't delay.
our excess bags are stowed away. It's time to fly.
They're up to try and find the farm, and when they find the farm, they'll find my mum and missus.
With a happy ending, and no fate is dead. Fate is
As
past.
we waiting
Come
car.
on, cheerio, goodbye to the Bimbo charm. We won't be back until we won't be back until we won't be back until we find your mom.
If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their how's about you, what's it? For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst a fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy, some will find me sexy in my way. Arr, arr, arr. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
Do you really believe that?
Of course I do. If I didn't, I might as well jack it all in and donate my legs to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, feathers, you gotta look on the sunny side of the lily pad. The ugliest of creatures has a few redeeming features. So why not let your better point shine forth? Ha ha ha!
A mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners both point north.
That's the idea. So don't go into hiding. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes. I'm telling you, feathers, out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya.
Warts and all.
Now you're croaking my language.
Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle, though the chance is small.
It's true, just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Tell 'em, kids.
Somewhere out there, Can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
No, I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Some will find me sexy in my way.
They'll find you sexy.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball.
We know you're gonna have a ball.
'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
They're gonna love your warts and all.
Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle. Though the chance is small, it's true. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting. Soon I'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball.
We know you're